What's going on, guys? Oregon Motorcycle back here with another episode. Today we're talking about riding in the rain. If you guys live in the Pacific Northwest, it's just something that's going to happen. You're going to get caught in the rain. It's going to happen. So some of you may know I'm from Southern California, and a lot of you know that it never rains down there. So I myself do not have that much experience riding in the rain. So today I bring you a few questions about riding in the rain, stuff I'm kind of curious about. As you can see here, I'm coming home. I was meeting up with a buddy, and my weather app said, oh, it's gonna be partly sunny or whatever, and then I ended up riding home in this stuff. So it got pretty heavy on the way home, and I was trying to keep up with the flow of traffic, and as you can see here, I'm in the fast lane, and I'm going between, say, 60 and say 75 miles per hour. And there was some standing water. We do have, we allow studded tires here in this area, so we do have some ruts in the road. And in some cases there can be up to a ½ inch of standing water in some of these ruts. So basically my question to you guys is, what do you feel is too fast for riding a motorcycle in the rain, say in conditions just like this? What would be considered too fast, and why? Why? Is the motorcycle not going to handle properly? What about the braking distances? I'm more concerned with turning versus braking, because I'm pretty on the up and up on braking distances, wet versus dry. So there's not that much of a difference, especially on sport bikes. So let's talk about tires. What do you guys think about tires? Does tires play a big role in this? I know there's some really good rain tires on the market right now. I'm running Michelin Pilot 2, I believe, on this bike. They're exceptional tires. I love them in the dry, and in fact they do really good in the wet too. On this ride home, I didn't feel the bike unsettle or anything. I didn't feel anything weird, which is why I kept my speed up. You feel that normal, I call it like it walks around a little bit. Whenever you get on wet pavement, you can feel the bike walking around a little bit, and that's just, it's trying to find traction. It's nothing big, so it's not like it's sliding around or anything like that. Anyways, I just wanted to share this little clip with you guys and ask the question, what's too fast? What is too fast in the rain, and why? Let me know what you guys think, and let me know your riding experiences. Do you stop riding when it rains, or do you embrace the rain? I myself, I have a cutoff limit. If it's raining, something like this, I'm not really going to go out in, because it just makes the ride not as enjoyable. And if it's freezing, if it's below like 35 degrees or so, I pretty much keep the bike put up. So you guys seen my last video where I got pulled over and it was like almost freezing. The cop was thinking that it was freezing or whatever. So if you guys haven't seen that, check that video out. It's in the top of the screen right now, in the top right. So, but anyways, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you feel and how you feel about riding in the rain and all that good stuff. Until next time, guys, Oregon Motorcycle.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn on